We're in Erie, Pennsylvania, and anybody who knows me or my YouTube channel knows that I love Americana roadside attraction stuff. Check out this Volkswagen Bug turned into a spider. This is one of the best ones I've seen so far. Now this place has been a staple in the Erie community for over 25 years. The artist's name is Richard Schaefer. And I think he's taken auto art to a entirely new level. I love it. Got a cannon here with some miscellaneous cannonballs. Red, white, and blue. All right. And check out this gigantic Hornet he made out of a cement truck and the front end of a Saab car. So cool. Let's take a closer look at it. And I just love this folk art. You can totally tell that his body attached to the stinger there is the mixing mechanism from a cement truck. And like I said, the front of it, the eyes, is a grill of a Saab car. Oh, that is so cool. Over here, there's a helicopter contraption. Here in Erie, Pennsylvania. On this overcast Thursday. He's got a motorcycle up on this tree stand here. Such a one-of-a-kind, unique place, and that's right up our alley here. If you're ever in Erie, Pennsylvania, I highly recommend you come check this place out. If you're into Clark Griswold folk art, one-of-a-kind kind of things. If you do stop by, they ask that you don't park in the driveway, but they have a spot right in front of the property. There's my truck down there, in front of this amazing rocket ship. Pointing to the heavens. I love it. How he repurposed all of these things to make some amazing art in the front yard that you just don't see. Each side has a huge engine on it. Oh, I just noticed there's a seat up there. That'd be a hell of a ride for maybe they can send Elon Musk, give him another trip into space before he buys Twitter. And look at this police car over here. It looks just like the old police car from the movie Cars. One of my favorite animated cartoons about Route 66. And there's even a little tow-mater guy over here. Get her done. So cool. And of course, let's take a closer look at this. The highlight of it for me is the Volkswagen Spider. I just love people's creativity, thinking outside of the box, repurposing. It's amazing. So you got the VW Spider, you've got the cars, movie vehicles. The Hornet, made from a cement mixer. The rocket ship with the hilarious seat at the top. And this unique helicopter. And he's got different pulleys and things even on the mailbox. And there's still a few more pieces. We're not even done yet. There's a double-headed alligator slash dinosaur creature here. I love how the teeth are spark plugs. So cool. So cool. And this man here greets you in front of the Volkswagen Spyder there. Everything's made out of various car parts. His arms and legs are made out of various drive shafts. His head is made out of some kind of tire. His torso is an engine. And there they are, greeting everyone that drives by. And there's still something hidden up in the tree up there. I'm not sure what it is. Looks like something straight out of Star Wars. Might be cameras. But even that's unique. We'll give him a little wave. Alright, that's going to do it from Erie, Pennsylvania. I just want to thank Richard Schaefer for continuing to do his amazing artwork over the last 25 years. So until we meet again, I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.